Economic Times time went to the test. The show that India time was capital is scrambling of factory closures and jobless and revealing orders and falling prices plunged in industry into places. Indian major go India all out of new business of top hires. India plans a team on democratized AI track and provision. So he drives Sunday chatter and manufacturing will be your boss moment of rise with self-employed. And average pay of 1.8x of the industries Samsung cover the amount of government that the average pay of one manufacturing workers is 1.8 the average salary of similar actual workers. Like royalty, it is how Indian arms treat their parents. So, treat the parent. Royalty payout. Maruti Suzuki has increased from 3,790 crores to 2,500 crores. Achieved 1,000 crores. Nestle from 500 to 1,084 crores. Bosch 220 to 380 crores. Colgate, Palmolive, we have 196 to 380. Bata 42 to 81 crores. 3M 51 to 76 crores. Whirlpool 51 to 60 crores. Johnson Hitachi 44 to reduced extra to 50 crores. Hansi and Nero